I got my wounds, we want it all. Vibe with the moon, nigga we dogs. I got it all, now give me some more. If you need some more, if you need some more. I got the moves, I got the sauce, you got the juice. My time is on top. I want it all, 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 I want it all.
We have the list where the artists annotated how many people they're bringing. I think the list is there. I'll bring the list now.
I'm going to make an exception. You have to wait for the list.
Tell that person to come with the Yoko to lead the line. Please guide them.
We dapper style, so we just got here. We're setting up quickly, you know what I mean?
This is LBK Wear SA, straight from the East Rand, Gurulian in Tohoza.
2, 1, 2.
Do you know what all they need to, like, for now they can just like wave and say pre-sold.
I basically manage the gate. I have a team of 4 people. I'm just trying to make sure that everything is running smoothly so that we don't have people trying to gate crash us and all of that. Yeah, I'm basically managing the gate. I don't have a cool job. It's not the cool job.
The reason why I'm tired, man, like it's been a nightmare putting this stuff together. You know, one thing about planning a good festival is that you'll never enjoy it. Like, that's the dope part about it. Like right now, I'm running on Red Bull and ambition.
Please, can you call Sansa and ask him to come with the signs? They're supposed to be at the store.
We're pretty much almost done setting up, but you know, there are obviously like little problems that come up that need to be sorted out. And just finding people that we need to ask questions. Yeah, Sansa, we need Sansa. Sansa, where are you? Yeah.
Where are you, Sansa?
Namhlanje siphethe lesiqephu simnandi. Siphethe abafana abaphuma kude nje. Anizisho abafana ukuthi niphuma kephi?
Hayi siphuma le oKapa nje la.
Omnandi lokho siyaqala nje uphatha abantu nje abaphuma le oKapa lo dumo nje. Ala bafana laba hayi balethwe lana nje ngokuduma kwabo. Badume ngale ngoma lethu udlala nazi no nazi hayi ke ngono. Anisho abafana ukuthi ngishamculo njani?
Asha future com trap.
I like that everyone is here and they're representing themselves and it's culturally appropriate.
I'm not religious, you know, but this was like a spiritual experience, you know what I mean?
Yes! Good vibe, yo!
You know, the playground, you have like other children to play with, to talk to, you know? This was it. Like, I met so many people that I could play with. Like, playing meaning collaborate, because that's what LPO is about.
I'm just like, you know when you find those artists on SoundCloud and you're like, how don't people know about this?
What's that? I need to tell you more, Baba. 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 Tell you more. What's that? Yeah. Hey, are you going to?
It was a surprise. It felt good. It's amazing. I'm loving it. I'm happy.
I'm a Catholic bride. Came to the world as a thousand sins of my father.
Honestly, I like the fashion, you know. Even came up here looking gorgeous myself, so yeah, just admire the fashion.
Knocked out and the birds never follow. Get knocked out and the birds never follow. Y'all, born in the summertime, spring.
The communication on Twitter and everything, it was, shout out, keep that up.
Well, LPO, yeah, shout out. Thank you for putting me on and letting me exhibit, to be honest. Like, it was really last minute, but thank God it happened. Because you guys opening doors for me and you're taking me in, so I love that.
Yo, I'm a fan of the shine to it. I let to learn in the business and it come trap. If you come trap, must not have in the shine to legs and my father is a mess million, man. I said, we go mess me.
LPO is not just one person, it's like a whole movement.
It's one family, but there are so many different like aspects of that family, and I feel like that is like what you walk through here. Is that's what you see.
I'll just bring everybody together. Let's play free thinkers and keep it moving, man. Yeah.
Keep doing what you guys are doing. Put other people on the spot. Like you guys, without you, I don't know.